shoot, I ripped it. Dang it. Alright guys, this is going to be a first impression and a review on Maybelline's new Python Metallic Lip Kit. I saw Tati did a review on this on YouTube, and I thought it would be interesting. It comes in these little black boxes, and it's like a powder form if I'm not mistaken. So I'm going to open this up with you. But while I am opening this up, I need you to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. And also follow me on other social media as well, like Facebook and Instagram, Angie Ravenel. So go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell. You can be notified every time I post a new video. All right, I am trying to open up this box. They come in the cutest little box, you guys. And that's new for Maybelline. And these were $9.99 each, which is a little expensive for Maybelline. But, oh, that's kind of cute, kind of chic. I'm liking this packaging here. And this one is Passionate 05. And the other one I picked up is number 30, which is called Provoked. So they got this little tape on this that's hard to get off. I'm tearing the box. Oh shoot, I ripped it. Dang it. Woo. Okay, I got it open. So let's start with number 05, which is Passionate. I wanted to pick up colors that I was going to use. They had a lot of other colors too, so let me go ahead and show that. Okay, so let me tell you what it has to say. Make an impact in chromatic lip color with a Python effect. Okay, step number 1, apply colored base with finger on the upper and lower lips. Step number 2, apply lip shadow with finger on top of colored base and layer as desired to create your own look. So here's the lip base, and then this is the metallic finish. Okay, I brought you guys in just a little closer. You can see, so I do have the color on my finger. Rubbing that in. I don't know if I like the idea of using my fingers. I feel like it's kind of sloppy. So let me just see the difference, if it is a difference using my lip brush. So let me go ahead and wipe my fingers off and then apply the metallic finish to it. So rub that in. Oh, it's nice and soft and it's silky. Okay. Huh. Definitely different. Okay, so let me try it with the lip brush. It's a little crumbly. Ugh. Got it all over my shirt. Okay, so the powder, you gotta, okay, I can see why they say use your fingers, because it's really soft, so you can really make a big mess with it. You guys see what I did? So applying it with your fingers kind of keeps it flat and in a smooth finish. So anyway, this is number 30, Provoked. What do you guys think about this? It's different. Not really my cup of tea, but something I can kind of get used to. It's kind of gray. I'm not big on gray, but I do like the finish. It feels a little powdery, not really moisturizing. So let me go ahead and try number 5, which is Passionate. Let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, that's a pretty combination. So the red, the darker color, is the actual lip color. And then the shimmery part of it, the metallic part, is kind of pink coral. So it looks like a really pretty combination. Okay, so I'm going to use my fingers like it says. Rub this in. You guys, I swear, I got to use a lip brush. Okay, so that's the red that just went on. So far, my suggestion is to use a lip brush to apply the creamy part, and then your finger to apply the metallic powdery part. Okay, and it's nothing really significant about the lip color. It's not super rich and brilliant and extra creamy or anything like that. It's just kind of flat red lip color. So let's brighten it up with this metallic. rubbing it on my ring finger here. Let's see. Okay, this is going to be really a subtle look. Okay, so I don't know, you guys. This doesn't have my vote. I don't know. It didn't do anything for me. I thought the metallic part was going to be just really, maybe if I straighten up my shirt, I'll feel better. Yeah, there you go. I just thought the metallic part was really going to give it some pop and some light. It doesn't, it sort of looked like the picture on the box, but again, I know that's lighting and everything. But yeah, cute packaging. I really like that. I do like the concept. Two separate things to create one look and how you can mix and match. Maybe I'll play around and mix it around just a little bit more. I'm just not going to give up on it that quick. But as of now, it's just a thumbs up and a thumbs down for me. Yeah, so there you go. That's my review on Maybelline's Powder Metallic Lip Kit. And once again, I want to thank you all for joining me. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Be true to you and have a good one or two.